Hello everyone. In this very video, we are going to be looking at string functions. Okay, functions in string, or you can also call them string methods. These are various methods we can apply when using string. But before we continue, I would like to say that whenever you see me click on the hashtag is because I want to make a statement. That's a hash there. I want to make a statement. Okay. So in a string, whenever you want to make straight statements on a Python app, you must use the hashtag. It recognizes it that you're about to make a statement. So here now I can write the topic I want to treat with us here, which are string methods. In this very video, I'm going to just be showing you some string methods. Okay, so the first string method we are going to be looking at is what we call len, L-E-N, open and close bracket. So len. Okay, now whenever you see len in a Python question, it is actually asking you the length of the characters inside the Python. Okay, let me write that here. This tells us the length of the characters in Python. Okay. So now I want to give an example. So let's say I want to write this. I can do it this way, len, then I open a bracket. I can put my string inside. This is one way. I will show you other ways you can make that happen. Okay, I put my string inside, then that's the upper comma there shows string. Okay, shows I'm about to write a string. Okay, so let me write stop that. Okay, so then I close my bracket. Now whenever Python sees len, L-E-N, as a function or as a string method, it counts all the characters, including commas, full stop, space, all the characters in between the string. Like S there is number 1, T is number 2, O is number 3, P is number 4, the space there is number 5, T number 6, H number 7, A number 8, T number 9. So we expect Python to give us 9. Let's see that. You see that? The response it gives us is 9. Another way you can write this in the same way is that you can write the string in terms of an assignment. What is assignment? When you are assigning the string to a particular value. Like here we have x equal to, then I have this, we have stop that. Okay, it's the same thing. So when I do this and I click enter, you see it has been assigned. So x has been assigned the string. Inside the string we have stop that. Now I'm trying to show you another way you can use len. So we can just say len, L-E-N, open bracket, then x, then close. Remember len, whenever Python sees len, is asking us the length of the string. So once I click enter, you see the response I get is 9, the same thing. So those are two different ways you can write that. Now let's see another example. Let's say we are assigning boy or string string. Okay, now equal to, once you see equal to in Python, it means assignment. So and once you see this, it means a string. We have come here. Okay, let me write come here. Okay, so enter, that's an assignment. Okay, so what if we now have len? I told you what len is, the length of the character. What if we now have len string, string? Okay, because string has been assigned come here. Before I click enter, let's guess what the answer would be. Letter C is 1, O 2, M 3, E 4, the space 5, remember you count space, H 6, E 7, R 8, E 9. So we're also expecting 9 here. So What do we have there? 9. Okay. Now let's see another one here. Let's see another example. Learn. Let me use this method. Abuja. Then I close. So what are we expecting? Your guess is as mine, 5. So you see that? 5. Now that is one string method. Now the next string method I want to be showing us is what we call capitalize. Capitalize. Remember the hashtag there, I just want to make a statement. So we have capitalize. Capitalize, open and close bracket. Now whenever you see this, it makes the first letter to become capital. That means whenever you write a value, the capitalize function or the capitalize method returns the first letter in that string to become a capital letter. Just like an example. Let's see an example here. Let's say we have x. We are assigning a value for x to be these are string dancers. Okay, dancers. And I want to, once I click enter, it means whenever Python sees x, now it sees it as the dancers, that's the string dancers. Now how do I go about this? I can say x dot capitalize open and close. Okay, that's how to represent your x. Then dot capitalize, you open your bracket and you close your bracket. So remember, we know what to expect. The first letter should be capital. So let's see. Did you see that? Dancers, the first letter becomes capital. So that is what the method capitalize does. Now we are going to look at another one. That is upper. Upper, open, close. That's another string method. Now this one makes all the letters capital letters. Okay, let me write that. This makes all the string, or returns all the string to be capital letters. So let's see an example with the one we just did now. Let's say we have x dot upper. Let's see what Python will return. We're expecting that the return is going to be all the letters there are going to be capital letters. So did you see that? Dancers, capital letters. Okay, so that is another string method. Now another string method I'm going to be showing us is what we call lower. Now unlike the upper returns lowercase to uppercase, but the lower returns lowercase to uppercase. Let me write that. Returns lowercase. Okay, returns lowercase to uppercase. Now that is important. So for example, let's say I have an assignment a equal to I have my string, and I have I want to make all now capital letters. I have status. Okay, and I have this. Okay, did you see that? Now in this case, once I click enter, it saves. So wherever we see a now, Python sees it as status. Then I have let's say I now have a dot, the same a dot lower, open and close bracket. Okay, once we click enter, what do we expect? We expect all the uppercase to become lowercase. Did you see that? So it becomes lower case. Okay, another one we are going to look at is alpha. There are many of them, so we'll see the much we can do in this very video. We have is alpha. Now whenever you hear whenever you see is alpha, or whenever Python sees is alpha, it returns true or false. is alpha. Is asking a question, so we're expecting a true or a false. So alpha means alphabet. So if it is an alphabet, it is true. If it is not an alphabet, it is false. It will return false. So this returns it returns true or false. Okay, depending on whether the string is an alphabet or not. Okay, so we are going to see an example here. So it's alpha. Now let's say we have let's look for an assignment. Let's say y equal to, we have a string here, Ghana. Okay, so we have this. Now you can ask yourself a question. The word Ghana, all are letters, so they are all alphabets. And we now have y dot, that's an assignment. We now have y dot is alpha. Now, what do we expect here? Of course, we should expect true, because every word there is an alphabet. Did you see that? True. Now, let's see another one. Let's assign x something else. Let's say we have Gary 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have this. That's an assignment. So where we see x, we have Gary 1, 2, 3. Now, and you want to print x. Well, if we print x, of course, we know what to expect. We are going to get the same thing, Gary 1, 2, 3. You see that? Now, but the is alpha, let's see, x dot is alpha, open close bracket. What do you expect? Is it a true or a false? Of course, it should be a false. So let's see. False. Why? Because all the characters there are not alphabet. We have number. Okay. Now that leads us to another string method, which we call is alnum. Alnum, N-U-M. Okay. So open close. Now, whenever you see alnum, it means it's asking you if it is, you're asking Python if it is an alphabet. I mean, if it is a combination of an alphabet or number. Okay, if it's a combination of alphabet or number. For example, we already had y to be Ghana. If we have y dot is alnum, okay, open close, your guess is as mine, is going to return false. Okay, alnum is true. Okay, so then let's see for x. Let's see x dot is alnum. Okay, did you see that? True. Okay, so that means is alnum returns true as long as you have alphabet and numbers all together. Okay, so in this very video, I'm going to stop here. We are going to continue with the rest in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.